वासवी गौरवं जगन्नाथ। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम देवतीराणं वैव कुलदेवाच्युतं जगत् आयुधवलम्बा तविपाहि मां दुर्गमाय। सर्वप्रथम एक बात करूं, नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद पवित्र सदस्य श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत श्री भगवान श्री महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद स्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णववृंद, मातृवृंद, गुरुवृंद, सज्जनवृंद,
So we have just heard about the glories of Baldev Prabhu very nicely by the Mukharvind of the Vaishnavas. So for last few days we are hearing the glories of the Baldev Prabhu from different Vaishnavas. So we have celebrated Rup Goswami Disappearance Day, Jhulan Yatra, and the Appearance Day of Baldev Prabhu. So in this context, so different Vaishnavas from their point of view, they have presented their views. So in Bangla Kirtan it is said, who is too much dear to my mother Yashoda, the Kanai, he has appeared in the Navdeep in the form of Sachinandan Gaur Hari, Gaur Sundar. Brajer Kanai appeared in the form of Gaur Sundar in Navdeep. And Brajer Balai Nitai. Nimai Nitai.
और चैतन्य महाप्रभु और कृष्ण और नित्यानंद प्रभु और बलदेव प्रभु में।
So there is no difference between Krishna and Baldev. So they are the same tattva. So we have heard so nicely, Nityanand Prabhu and Baldev Prabhu are not different. But still, according to the Leelas, Gaur Sundar never taken the astra, the weapons. So Ram and Krishna and other incarnation, he has taken the weapons for killing the demons. So that's why he. But in the Gaur Avatar, in the incarnation of Gaur, he has manifested so much mercy on the jivas that he never put on the astra. Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol. And he has given the Harinam to the jivas and liberated the jivas. So this is the specialty in the incarnation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
हरि नाम दिया उसी प्रकार बलदेव प्रभु भी नित्यानंद के रूप में आए
So Baldev Prabhu will also manifest incarnate in the form of
के रूप में
Nitai.
आदि के द्वारा
So in the form of Baldev, Vaidahal and mice, he has given the punishment to the demons, but Nityananda, in the Nityananda form, he has distributed to the mercy to the jivas that you cannot understand.
मेरे जो कंसील खाना प्रेम देवो ना अर्थात
So it means,
जगाई माधाई उद्धार के समय
so at the time of Jagai Madhai liberation,
उस समय किसने मारा माधाई
Madhai attacked on Nityanand Prabhu
माधाई ने मारा किससे कैसे मारा
by the pitcher. He used the pitcher for attacking Surai होती है ना, Surai in Hindi is called Surai. अब एक बार डिसाइड कर लो क्या बोलूँ, पिक्चर बोलूँ, मटका बोलूँ, सुराई बोलूँ. So Madhai. So Madhai attacked pitcher. Okay. So now the people are discussing about who attacked on Madhai or Jagai. They are discussing very nicely. There are discussion going on. You can understand. I can show you the view. So Madhai finally decided Madhai attacked on Nityanand Prabhu. So when the blood was coming out from the head of Nityanand Prabhu and Mahaprabhu got the news, so he was so much angry that time that he called his Sudarshan Chakra, "Hey Chakra, come and I have to kill that Madhai." Because if somebody attack on Nityanand Prabhu, Mahaprabhu cannot tolerate this. So Mahaprabhu, he had so much love and affection towards Nityanand Prabhu. So what happened at that time? Nityanand Prabhu reminded to Mahaprabhu, in this incarnation we have taken oath, you have taken oath that you will not put on the weapons. And then Mahaprabhu returned back his chakra. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he saw, so when Mahaprabhu came, so all the people were afraid, they were scaring, seeing the Sudarshan Chakra, everybody was fearing. So what happened? He took the shelter of Mahaprabhu. So Mahaprabhu said, "Why are you taking shelter of my feet? So you have offenses, you are the offender of Nityanand Prabhu, so you have to take the shelter of Nityanand Prabhu." Then they took the shelter of Nityanand Prabhu. So Mahaprabhu first mercy upon Jagai who saved, so Mahaprabhu mercy upon him first. So that's why they have given the prem, while who attacked him, still he has given the love to that Madhai. Akrodh Premanande Nityananda Raya Vinane Shunai Nagare Vadai, like this. Nityanand Prabhu is so merciful. Sometimes Vaishnava in this context, they used to use something. They used to tell one story. Maybe they have written in some granth. They have read in some granth up in the transcendental Golak Vrindavan, when Krishna Leela was ended up. So after ending up of Krishna Leela, so now the Gaur Leela is going to start. So in that assembly, Krishna called everybody.
सभी लोग वैकुंठ से लेकर के सभी भक्तों के कभी हमारे गौर लीला में सभी लोग आप
So Krishna called everybody from Vaikunt, Dwarika, Mathura, from everywhere. He called everybody.
उसमें लिस्ट बनाना पड़ रहा
So he made a list there
है कौन किस रूप में हमारे
that in which form somebody he will help in my in Gaur Leela. He will take the incarnation in my Gaur Leela.
को ले लिया बलि करो आप लोग हमारा
Nand Yashoda, you will be my parents.
ना विश्व
Jagannath Mishra, Sachi Mata.
सच्ची मैया के पहचान
So you will take the form of Jagannath Mishra, Sachi Mata.
हनुमान को भी बुला लिया
Even he called Hanuman also. So he was Murari Gupta.
आज सब तो लिस्ट
So a list was prepared. The chart was prepared that who will be who.
अयोध्या द्वारका
So from Vaikunt, Ayodhya, Dwarka, Mathura and Golok Vrindavan, everybody has decided that who will take the form, incarnation in which form. So after the Krishna Leela, there was a time of Gaur Leela. So in this Gaur Leela, everybody has to take part.
या तो भी ब्रह्मा जी के बोले चलो
Even he is told to Brahma and Prahlad, chalo, come with me, come with me. That's why Brahma and Prahlad, Haridas Thakur came in the form of Brahma and Prahlad.
अच्छा सबको नाम देंगे सब प्रकाश प्रभु हो गए बलदेव प्रभु पास में बैठे हुए थे
So Baldev Prabhu was sitting beside.
बलदेव ने कहा मेरे नाम
Baldev Prabhu said, where is my name? You didn't mention my name in the chart. So you have given the listed everybody name. So where is my name? For assemble in the Gaur Leela verse, where is my name?
कृष्ण बोले
Krishna said,
तुमको मैं नहीं
I will not take you in my Gaur Leela.
अरे बोल रहा मुझे नहीं लोग
So he said, why? Why you are not taking me Gaur Leela?
करना चाहते हो मेरे विरोधी तुम बन जाते
So Krishna said that whatever I want to do, so you are against me. So that's why I don't want to take you in my Leela.
हो भक्त लोग कहते हैं
So the Bhakta devotee used to say,
अच्छा मेरे राम लीला में
in my Ram Leela, you came in the form of Lakshman.
विरोध करने की शुरू कर दिए थे
You started against
मैंने कहा देखो
you against me that I said
ये लिया रावण वध के पश्चात
after the killing Ravan, I said
सीता जी की अग्नि परीक्षा कर सकती है
test the Sita, the fire pariksha of Sita. So at the time Lakshman was so much angry that why are you doing like this? He was against him. He was against of Ramchandra.
सीता जी की हमारे मां स्वरूप है
Sita is my mother.
मां के दोष क्या है
And what is the fault of her?
कोई विवाह अवस्था में उठा के उसके दोष क्या है
If somebody had kidnapped somebody in this kinds of positions, so what is her fault?
सुनना नहीं चाहते
So Lakshman said, Ram said, please listen to me. Lakshman said, no, I don't want to listen to you. And he started continuing speaking. So
तब उसमें राम
So at that time Ram said, okay Lakshman, listen.
असली सीता जो है वापिस लेना
So I have to take back my asli Sita, the real Sita. So Lakshman said, who is real and who is fake?
क्या नकली सीता कैसा
So long you have fought with Ravan. So it was a fake Sita. What are you talking about? She was real.
हुआ किसके साथ बोले हाँ भाई
So Ram said, yes, she was not real.
ये नकली सीता असली सीता नहीं है यदि असली सीता के बारे में पता चल जाए
If you came to know the real Sita, then there will be this kinds of war never happened. So that's why
हनुमान से
everybody is fighting, from Hanuman, Angad, the person who was in the side of Ram. Everybody was fighting. So there is one target, one object, that we have to return back Sita from the bondage of Ravan.
रावण के बहुत तो राम करेगा क्यों करेगा
So Ravan will kill Ravan or not, Ram will kill Ravan or not, so it depends on Ram. But they were so enthusiastic that they have to kill Ravan and they have to return back Sita.
पर्वत पर
When the Chitrkut Parvat, when he was sitting there and he saw from there,
रावण के देखते ही
he saw the Ravan.
सुग्रीव ने
Sugriv, what he did? He jumped
रावण के जो है
and
दिखा कि नहीं दिखा
he took Ravan in his arms.
में जब आकर पूछा राम ने कहा सर तुम अकेले क्यों चले गए बोले माँ जानकी के ऊपर जानकी हरण करके ले गए मेरा स्वयं नहीं अच्छा यदि किसने पता यदि इन्हें पता चलता
So if you so if they came to know that this she is not the real Sita, so they used to do like this, never. So they cannot tolerate.
ये तो यहाँ पर जो प्रसंग आ रहे हैं
So the context was here, Lakshman was so much against with Ramji,
धारण करना पड़ा
so that's why Ramchandra has to reveal the truth
उनके सच बोलना पड़ा
that she is not the real Sita, she is fake Sita.
मेरी जो असली सीता जो है वो अभी कैलाश में
So my real Sita, she is in Kailash now
शिव पार्वती के पास है।
with Shiv Parvati.
फिर लक्ष्मण की समझ में नहीं
Then Lakshman was not able to understand.
आया। तब सारे कथा श्रवण सुनाया
Then all the katha was told.
शिव ब्रह्म विवर्त
Then the Brahma Vaivarta Purana, this story was described.
जब 13 साल जब हो गया 14 साल
When the 13 years
एक दिन भगवान रामचंद्र
completed and 1 year left, so Ramchandra was so much unhappy at that time. He was sitting unhappy. At that time, Agnidev came. He asked that, why are you so much sad? So Bhagwan said, so I have to perform Leela, I have to kill Ravan further. So I am a little bit worried that how it is possible, how will I perform my Leela?
लीला जो पहले से तैयार हुआ है ये सीता हरण ये मेरे पत्नी सीता को कैसे रावण हरण करेंगे
So how Ravan will kidnap my Sita? So I am thinking about this. At that time, Agnidev
अग्निदेव बोले
said,
हे भगवान
Hey Bhagwan, so you are the Leela Dhari, Leela Purushottam, whatever you want you can do. So you do one thing.
आप अपने इच्छा के द्वारा एक
So according to your wish, you
रहेगी
appeared one Maya Sita, and you can give my real Sita. You can give to me your real Sita.
माया सीता को
So Ravan will kidnap your Maya Sita,
अब इसके पश्चात
and after that,
रावण वध
when Ravan you will kill the Ravan,
सीता
so you can take
मेरे पास आएगी
Maya Sita will come back to me, and you can take back your real Sita to me from me.
रामचंद्र बहुत प्रसन्न
So Ramchandra was very happy after hearing these things.
रामचंद्र जी जानते नहीं
So Bhagwan Ramchandra was not aware about this. The way Krishna was asked the question to you have to do this and not do this. So he was Leela Purushottam. Bhagwan is Leela Purushottam. He is doing everything. He is managing everything actually.
तो आइए कथा में
So in the Katha,
लक्ष्मण कि यह बात सच बोलना ये राम
so Ramchandra had to reveal the truth that Lakshman, she is not real Sita, she is fake Sita, she is Maya Sita or Chaya Sita. Chaya Sita, she is Chaya Sita or Maya Sita, and so my real Sita is she is in Agnidev.
इस माध्यम से अर्थात अग्नि प्रज्वलित करके अग्नि के माध्यम से
So from the fire I have to take in her back. Then Lakshman,
की इच्छा के
according to the wish of Ramchandra, he did all the things.
पर आपकी कथा आप जानते हैं
So you know further Katha, what happened.
छाया सीता में प्रवेश किया और असली सीता के
So Sita ji entered into the fire and Bhagwan took back the real Sita.
ये कथा भी एक दिन मैंने
So I have told this story one day also.
और फिर वही छाया सीता जो
And
है,
then Chaya Sita,
हम तो क्या बनेंगे बहुत कुछ बन गए अरे द्रौपदी पुत्री बन गए बहुत तपस्या किया जाकर के
so she performed so.
यदुवंशी के पास है वो आगे बहुत दिन तपस्या किया अश्विनी के पास जो है
So in the Pushkar she performed austerity and then she went to Swarglok.
लक्ष्मी बनी
Then she became Swargalakshmi, and after Swargalakshmi, then Vedvati, and after that she became Draupadi.
छाया सीता जो है द्रौपदी के रूप में आए
So maybe you have heard this story. So this is a very broad story.
तो उसी कथा को कृष्ण करें
So in this way,
आप विरोध किया
Krishna said that you are against me in the form of Lakshman. And so this katha was first.
तो मेरे पिता दशरथ महाराज के ऊपर कैसे कोई बात को बोल दिया
And you said so much bitter sentences to my father Dashrath.
पता चला
When Lakshman came to know that Ramchandra had to go for 14 years Banvas,
भरत के राज्य
and Bharat will get the Rajya, the kingdom. So Lakshman was not able to tolerate.
ऐसे स्त्री न बताओ स्त्री शब्द क्या अर्थ है बताओ
किसका?
जो स्त्री के तैना ऐसे तैना पुत्र के तैना पिता को है.
So Lakshmana was saying that a father who is totally controlled by the lady, so I will kill that person. So Lakshman was so much angry, and Ramchand said, Lakshman, if you said this word like this kinds of, if you use these kinds of sentence, then you are not anymore my brother. You are not my brother anymore. So it is very nicely described in the Ramayana. One father, so he promised to someone, and I am fulfilling his words, and what is the fault? And Dashrath Maharaj is fulfilling his vachan, his words, his promise, so what is the fault of him? And why are you saying this, using this kinds of words? What is his fault? Raghul, there is no fault of Kekai, there is no fault of my father Dashrath. रघुकुल रीत सदा चली आई. So Bhagwan Ramchandra used this kinds of word, and he was my father Dashrath. He was the Satya speaker. Raghukal Reet Sadachari Paran Rajai. So I'm not saying into the serial whatever happened into the Ramayana. Lakshman was against to Ramchandra, and where he wrote, when Bharat came to meet with Ramchandra in Chitrakoot, and Lakshman saw from so far, and from on the tree he saw that Bharat is coming, and Lakshman couldn't stop himself. He said, where is my arrow and bow? I have to kill this Bharat. Just like mother, just like son. Then Ramchandra said, Bharat, hey Lakshman, you cannot understand my brother Bharat. Bharat is Mahatma, na bhuto na bhavishyati. You are not able to understand him. If you throw the arrow to him, so it will not come back. अरे तुम्हारी ऐसी तैसी. Arjun returned back his Brahmastra. Somebody is saying like this. So Lakshman so many times was against with Lord Ram. Not only this. So in Krishna Lila also you were against me. In the Krishna Lila, Baldev Prabhu, he was against or not? Where? At the time of Subhadra's marriage, he wanted to get married Subhadra to Duryodhan. Krishna wanted to get married Subhadra to Arjun. And what happened? So he was so against, and he was that he called his army, and there is a Leela of Subhadra Haran. Krishna didn't call anybody, but Baldev called everybody, all his army, that he being a sadhu and he has kidnapped my sister Subhadra. Krishna said, so who was the bodyguard of Subhadra? So we should ask to them that who was carrying the chariot? Reins. So the reins, who was catching the reins? Subhadra had the reins of the horse. So who kidnapped? Subhadra or Arjun? So
जब मैंने रुक्मिणी हरण किया था, अभी तो केवल यही तुम्हारी खतने की रीति है।
And you also, I also kidnap Rukmani.
ये तो देखो, आप अर्जुन के मत करो।
So why are you imposing, or why are you finding fault in Arjun
मेरे बहन सुभद्रा
and my sister Subhadra?
ये कोई साधारण पशु नहीं है।
She is not like an animal
दोनों चारों टांगों के बांध करके जिसके
that you can give her to anybody. She is not like that.
कभी सुभद्रा ने पूछा, सुभद्रा
Ever you ever asked to Subhadra?
वहाँ होना चाहती कि नहीं? बलदेव के क्या हो गया? वो नीचे हो गए कि
गंदा काम करेंगे.
एक बार तो बोलना चाहिए।
So maybe according to me, what I believe. अरे यार ऐसे केस में कैसे करूँ? फिर तो मुझे किताब लिखनी पड़ेगी.
इनको तो पूछना चाहिए भाई तुम्हारे क्या? मैं ऐसे ही बस
So you should have asked to Subhadra that where you would like to get married.
बलदेव के कृष्ण इतने भाषण दिया।
So Krishna given so much speech to Baldev Prabhu, and Baldev Prabhu said,
तुम्हारी इच्छा बिना कुछ नहीं।
Baldev, Baldev Prabhu said, "Oh Krishna, whatever you have desired, so it's happening according to you." So in this way, in the Krishna Leela, Baldev Prabhu was against with Krishna. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया लीला. और सुनाओ, गौर लीला ना हो पाएगी, सुनाओ. गौर लीला कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाएगी, तुम लोग कहाँ में थे?
भाई कौन किसके दल में?
At the time of,
लंबी बताया हमने जो
so there is a long story. I am not going to that.
के पक्ष में आ गया। सीधी बात आ गई।
Krishna came into the side of Yadav, and Krishna said, I will not,
अर्जुन की केवल रक्षा, माने सारथी बनी।
I will be the
और बलदेव
Sarthi of Arjun. And Baldev Prabhu said, I am the neutral. I will not involve in myself in the war, because Duryodhana is my disciple,
ये भी मेरा शिष्य
and Bhim also my disciple. Duryodhana also my disciple, because he was the guru of Duryodhana and Bhim also.
है, मैं किसके साथ हूँ, किसको नहीं। है? इसलिए देखो युद्ध के प्रारंभ में 18 दिन युद्ध होने की पहले ही बोले मैं किसके
So before the war, Duryodhana said, Baldev Prabhu said that I will go to pilgrimage
साथ मिला किया।
and I will go to Tirth Yatra. And he killed the Romahanshasut. He killed his
है, उनको तो सम्मान नहीं दिया।
he killed his neck because he didn't pay the respect.
देखा को बैठे।
And Ugrashavasut was he became the Vyas.
केवल एक दिन बचा हुआ था।
And there was one day left only.
18 दिन 17 दिन युद्ध
So
हुआ।
Satratin was completed, the war was completed, only one day left.
एक दिन बाकी था। जिस दिन दुर्योधन काल मिलेगा।
So the day was there, Duryodhana was going to kill. Duryodhana thigh was going to be broken.
दिन तो सब कुछ तोड़ दिया। सब तो मार डाला। धृतराष्ट्र के सब पुत्र के सब पुत्र की
So Bhim killed everybody. He killed 100 sons, 99 sons,
क्या हुआ?
99 sons
उसमें 17 दिन के दिन
of Dhritarashtra.
बलदेव प्रभु लौट कर गए।
So in the 17th day, Baldev Prabhu returned. So there was war is going to start next day. So Duryodhana's whole body
अंदर के आंखों के तेजों के द्वारा उसके रोम बांध के कर दिया था। केवल उसके कमर के जो है नीचे के जो है हिस्सा जो है वही केवल रह गया था।
Only his-
भगवान ने उसको
only his lower part left,
चतुराई से बांध दिया।
and he was tied.
गंधारी के आंखों के ज्योति के द्वारा उसके सारे शरीर को जो है वज्र का
Because his whole body became like a stone
बलदेव
by the sight of Gandhari. Maybe you have heard this story.
अच्छा कृष्ण के
Because Gandhari has put on one cloth on her eyes. When she opened, so that person will be like a stone. So at that time Duryodhana was there.
शिष्य है आज बड़ा युद्ध के मैच
So
रस साधन पर बैठ भाई उधार किया कि दोनों
so Baldev Prabhu thought that both are my disciple, Duryodhana and Bhim.
और भीम
So Baldev Prabhu would like to relish the battle of Gada. club fight.
उसकी लोहे की बॉडी से नहीं होगी ना।
So because the Duryodhan body became the stone like iron, so there was sound was coming ton 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 like this, and he started beating him. And Krishna saw Bhim and Duryodhan was fighting each other. So at the time was sound was coming like ton 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 because he had the iron body that time. So at the time what happened? Bhagwan Krishna, he saw Majle Bhaiya. He indicated to Bhim, Majle Bhaiya, oh my younger brother, you strike on Baldev Duryodhan's thigh, because the upper parts was iron, the lower parts was normal. So Bhim, so he reminded his pratigya, the oath, that this is the Dushta Duryodhan at the time of Draupadi's Chirharan. So what actually Duryodhan said, that you have 5 husbands, so you are like a prostitute, and if you have one more, then what is bad in that? So please call this lady on my thigh. So the Bhim taking the vow that time, that I will, at the time will come, right time will come, I will break your thigh, I will crush your thigh. He was said, the Bhim said like this. So he took this times 2 oath. So Krishna reminded him at the time what happened. Bhim, by his club, he broke in the thigh of Duryodhan, and Duryodhan fall down on the ground. And seeing that, Baldev couldn't stop himself. Baldev said, "What? So I have given this kinds of lesson to you. So you have break all the rules of club fight. You have strike on the thigh." So Baldev Prabhu was so much angry, and he started running towards Bhim, and Krishna stopped him. And he said, look. Who break the rules of the fight, Duryodhan or Baldev, Duryodhan or Bhim? So he said, if you don't know, then why? So he said, so Krishna said that if you don't know, then why are you going there? Then why are you entering in the war? So at the one time, from the one Yodha, warrior, only one can fight. And somebody doesn't have fight, so you couldn't, no one can attack him. Tell me one thing here, Abhimanyu, the son of Arjun, when he was stuck in the Chakravyuh, Niyatte, he was without weapons that time. So please tell me, who break the rules of the fight? These all the Kauravas, they killed Abhimanyu. It is not just a play. It is not just a play of pleasure. Huh? So that was the Dharma Yuddha, Dhurt. So we have to punish these kinds of Dhurt. So they have broken the rules of the fights. So who broke the rule first? So Baldev Prabhu, he was keep quiet. So now we are coming to the Katha. So that's why Krishna said to Baldev Prabhu, in my Ram Leela you were against me, in my Krishna Leela you were against me. So you were against me in so many times. So that's why I will not take you in my Gaur Leela. So he was saying internally, externally. So nothing can be possible without Baldev Prabhu. So he was relishing the rases. If जाऊंगा Yes, 2 nuggets is all the makes up positive. नहीं ले जाऊंगा, नहीं ले जाऊंगा, ले जाऊंगा, ले जाऊंगा.
तो इसलिए तब उसमें नितांत प्रभु के क्या बोले बलदेव
क्या?
कहने लगे लड़ाई चल तुम्हारी गोल्ड लाने से मैं बचत से लाऊं
लेकिन इसमें एक
तुम्हारी गोल्ड लाने से
वो माइनस में प्लस आता है, लेकिन मल्टीप्लाई में प्लस होता है.
क्रोध
माइनस में तो माइनस प्लस होता है.
अक्रोध परमानंद निष्कामसुंदरा अभिमान सुंदरिताई नगरे जाने देखी तारे कहीं संत दिन धरी हमारे दुनिया
जय हो गौर हरि. You would like to see the view? The environment is full of bhaktimay.
दयाल नित्यानंद बोल रहे नाच रहे हमारे मन
So they are.
दयाल नित्याई चैतन्य बोले नाच रहे हमारे मन नाच रहे हमारे है ये कीर्तन है कि नहीं
So there was a kirtan.
कितना सुना
Very nice kirtan. Start the kirtan.
दिलाद है कितने मधुर
So Nityanand Prabhu's Leela is so adorable. What to describe that?
रामलीला में उन्होंने जो देखा
In the Krishna Leela, in the Ram Leela, he has, you know, he was against, but in the God Leela, he was no against him. Sometimes maybe you have seen something adverse, so there is just for pushti of the Leelas, for increasing the Leelas.
क्या ये नितांत प्रभु जो है इसके पूर्णा वही बलदेव प्रभु गोल जाने नितांत प्रभु के रूप में आकर के है कितना मधुर है आज
So in the God Leela was so much sweeter with Nityanand Prabhu.
है ये दंगा तोड़ने के कारण वो एक गली सन्यासी है है समय हो गया आपके साथ बजा नहीं पाँच बज गए
So time was not completed and the pujari rang the bell.
देखो
So now what happened?
नित्यानंद की लीला कितनी मधुर
So the Nityanand pastime is so sweet.
पातियाचे नाम हट्ट जीवे रकार श्रद्धावान जन हे श्रद्धावान जन पातियाचे नाम हट्ट जीवे रकार दंड के बारे में बोलते हैं हाँ ये एक दंड ये अद्वैतवादी है
So एक दंड was Adaitvadi
और दूसरी है त्रिदंड
and one is Tridand.
दंड के विधान नहीं है
So in the Kali Yuga there is no rules of one dand.
अश्वमेधम गवारम
Aswamedam Gavalambam Balapattikam Devarasota Patrit Sannasana.
यहाँ पे संन्यास शब्द कहा गया
So sannyas means ek dandi sannyas is prohibited in this Kali Yuga, not Tridandi. Tridandi sannyas we can take, but not we can take ek dandi sannyas. Why there's Tridandi is there for Kaya, Man, Vacha, by mind, body and soul. You have to, one is one dand, Kaya, Man, Vakya. Kaya, Man, Vakya. By body, by mind and by vachan. By your words, you have to surrender to Bhagwan. So Nityanand Prabhu in this way saying, so Brahma and other the big devtas who is carrying on his head, so this kind of Akhand Guru Tattva, Akhand Bhagwan, so he will carry the dand. No, that's why he has broken. He is the origin of Narayan. So dand means Narayan. The form of dand is Narayan. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Moola. He is the origin of all kinds of Narayan. That's why he showed wherever, whatever Nityananda Prabhu is did, so there the Tattva Siddhant is there. And the second, Gaur Sundar was ahead and we were back. So he was following Gaur Sundar. So Mahaprabhu said that I won't go with you because one day my Gurudev gave me one dand and you have broken that. So there is a river Jagannath Puri. Which one? Darbhanga? Dandabhaga Nadi. Are Baba. So there is a Dandabhaga Nadi. So he
ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारे हमारे बड़े भाइयों की गाँव है, कोई बात, किंतु
so he throw his stick or done in that river.
कितने करुणामय, यहाँ पर भी नित्यानंद प्रभु इतने करुणा,
So Nityananda Prabhu was so merciful. Every day Nityananda Prabhu used to go to Jagannath Puri at the time of Chaturmath also, especially. Mahaprabhu said, Nitai, every year you used to come here, especially in Chaturmath.
दुखी जो है, गौर भक्त जो है,
So our God devotees, God Bengali Bhakt,
एक तो मेरे विरोह में तड़प रहे हैं,
so first they are separating in my suffering in my separation, and every year you are coming here, so they will suffer so much. So why are you coming every year? So what Nityananda Prabhu did? He used to come. He said,
बहुत सुंदर,
God Sundar, without you I cannot live.
और
And
चलिए,
he went away.
इसी प्रकार गौर
So in this way, in the Gaur Leela,
लीला में
in the Gaur Nityananda Leela is so sweet.
ये सब दिखा रहे हैं,
So this is showed here
रामलीला
in the Ram Leela, and
गौर लीला में इतने सुंदर रस
so there is
समय हो गया, वही बलदेव प्रभु
so Gaur Leela is so much sweeter than Ram Leela and Krishna Leela.
के रूप में आए हैं,
So the same Krishna came in the form of Gaur Chandra, and he performed so many beautiful pastimes.
समस्त जीवों के क्या करते हैं,
And what he did, he has given the love, distributed the love to all the jivas. So today we are stopping here. Tomorrow we will describe further. Vancha kalturasha patitanam pavneva Vaishnava Namo. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna.